Good morning. I'm Rachel Mathew, tax attorney and partner at Polston Tax. This morning, I wanted to talk to you about an important tax deadline that's coming up. If you filed an extension to file your business tax return or an extension to file your personal tax return, those tax returns are due now. Business tax returns are due September 15th, 2020. And personal tax returns, even though the deadline was moved to July, the extension deadline is still October 15th, 2020. It hasn't been moved. If you don't file your tax return on time, the IRS will assess penalties for failure to timely file your tax return. In addition, if you did not file an extension of time to file the tax return and you also didn't file the tax return, the IRS will assess penalties for failure to timely file your return. I also want to make sure you know that the extension of time to file the tax return is just for the tax return. It's not for the taxes due. So, if you owe taxes on the business tax returns or taxes on the personal tax returns, those taxes, the amounts, were due by the deadline date. If you didn't pay on time, the IRS may assess penalties against you for failure to timely pay. The IRS may waive these penalties if you can show good cause. In addition, if you're unable to pay the taxes or you don't have the tax returns prepared, you have to get the tax returns prepared because it's criminal to not file your tax returns. So make sure you're compliant and have your tax returns filed. If you don't have the money to pay, there's options available. The IRS is still accepting payment agreements. They're looking at settlements on liabilities that are due, and they may consider a hardship if you qualify. These types of negotiations and more are what Polston Tax does every day. And we're seeing clients now more than ever who owe taxes due to the coronavirus. I wanted to encourage you to keep hopeful even if you owe taxes. Get your tax return prepared, make sure you file on time, and put together as much money as you can if you owe taxes. These penalties and interest compound on top of the taxes for every day that you're unable to pay. And that can snowball out of control. So I want you to have a plan, and if you need help, call us at Polston Tax. We help taxpayers just like you every day. We love helping, and now more than ever, we want to see our business community come back to life. Now back to you.